Karam, let us get started. Please sit straight. Keep your back, neck, and head in a straight line. Gently close your eyes. Let's take this 30 minutes to connect with the divine. Bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. Let us begin with invocation to Bhagavan Ganesha. We'll chant together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Let us take the blessings from Bhagavan Ganesha. Slowly blink your eyes open. So today we will do revision. So we'll go in the same order. Yeah, so we have 5 of us here. I mean 6 of us here, but I will exclude myself. So 5 of you are there. So you can just chant one after another. Unmute yourself and chant one verse after another. If there are any corrections, then I will intervene and share. Okay, so first Akshaya, you can unmute yourself and you can start with the Doha, the first Doha.
Yeah. With the tune or without the tune?
If possible, with the tune, or you can whichever is comfortable. Give it a try with the tune.
Okay, sure. Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nij Mana Mukura Sudhari Bharana Raghupada Vimalaya Cha Jodaya Kupala Chari.
Very nice. And I don't think there's any corrections required. The pronunciation was perfect and the tune was also perfect, Akshaya.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
Next, Kalai. Kalai, would you like to chant the second Doha? Okay, let's move to Karunakaran. Would you like to chant? I see some chat messages. Okay, Kalai, no problem. Try it whenever you're comfortable. Karunakaran, would you like to try? Okay, so let's move on. Manimori.
यानी बुद्धिहीन दनु जाने के सुमिरऊ पवन कुमारा बल बुद्धि विद्या तेगु मोगिम हरगु कलेश बिगारा.
Very nice, Manimori. The Mahapranas, wherever you see, like, for example, Buddhi, use a little more aspiration, Buddhi, and Bikara, like the ka should extend a little more. Next, Nivedita.
Yes, ma'am. I'll start with the verse 1.
Yeah.
Yes. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागरा जय कपीसतिहु लोक उजागरा. Sorry for getting the tune strong, ma'am.
No problem. See, there are different tunes. If you hear various singers, the tune is different. So do not worry about the tune. So
Okay.
as long as you sing with devotion, that's enough. So tune, we can adjust to whichever is more comfortable. So for
Okay,
me,
okay.
MS Subbulakshmi Ma's tune is very comforting, very soothing to hear, but to sing, sometimes the high pitches, I find it very hard. The voice starts to screech. So for that, when I'm want to chant, I usually go for Unni Krishnan's tune. The four chaupai, 1 to 4,
Together.
yeah, 1 to 4, 5 to 8, he repeats the same tune, so which is easier to chant. But the traditional one is what most people hear and sing. So that is why I wanted to share the traditional one, but feel free to change the tune according to what is more comfortable.
Okay, okay. Now, shall I read 1 to 4 or is it?
Yeah, please go ahead. Only few people are there. No, go ahead with the second one.
Okay. रामदूत अतुलित बलदामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंटल कुंचित केसा.
Very nice. So kundala. So not kuntala, kundala.
Okay. Kundala. Like
Yeah.
same in Tamil. Okay.
In Tamil, we only have ta, so we might say kuntala, but
Okay.
the pronunciation is kundala.
Kundala. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Next. Sanjita Shri.
Yes, Aunty.
Yeah.
हातवज्र औध्वजात् विराजते कान्ते मूञ्जनेवु साजै शङ्कर सुवन केसरी नन्दन तेज प्रताप महाजगवन्दन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की.
Very nice, Sanjita. It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Pronunciation all was perfect. The tune was also very nice. Beautifully sung.
Thank you, Auntie.
Next, we move on to Dr. Sanjita. It's Shiv. Shiv, would you like to chant? Okay. Let's come back to Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिय हिंदिकावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज समारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बकुत बढ़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरति सम भाई.
So everything is perfect, Akshaya. The only thing in this last line, Tum mama priya bharatahi samabhai. Bharatahi. So in
तुम
some
मम
places I
प्रिय.
see only Bharata samabhai, but the actual word is Bharatahi samabhai.
Okay. तुम मम प्रिय ही प्रिय भरत ही
Samabhai.
समभाई.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
nice, very nice. Next. Who's next?
Myself, ma'am.
Yes, Nivedita, go ahead. Or Manimari.
Sahas.
Wait a second.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Manimari, please go ahead.
सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस गगि श्रीपति कंदन लगाहे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अगीसा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल यहांते कवि को बिडगि सगे कहांते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा.
Very nice, Manimari. Pronunciation and all was perfect. Only thing here in Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. Yeah, I think you said Yahante, if I'm not mistaken. So Jahante. So pronunciation is
If
all
we,
fine. Yeah, practice the tune more and more.
yeah.
Yeah, next.
If we use ya instead of ja, we can use it ya also there, no?
1 second.
Jama Kubera.
Yeah, in this case, I think
Instead of that,
Yama
if you use
Kubera,
Kubera, Dikbala Yamante.
not Yamante, Yahan,
Yeah.
yeah, I think it is Jahante only, because the
Okay.
meaning is like wherever they tried, all these scholars and poets and all these people, they failed to express. So
Okay.
I'll get back to you whether Yahante is okay or not. But yeah, here it is Jama or Yama, both
Yama. Yeah.
use. And in the second line also, you instead of Kabi and Kobida, we can use Kavi and Kovida.
Okay.
So in Tamil, mostly in Tamil Hanuman Chalisa books, I've seen wherever there is ba, they put as ba, Kavi, Kovida. So I'll get back to you on this Jahan or Yaha, whether both are okay.
Okay.
Okay, also complete the,
Complete. Yeah.
yeah.
राम लक्ष्मण की जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
Very nice. Next, Nivedita.
Nice. तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्र योजन भर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिक मेलि मुख माहिं, जलधि तांगी गाये अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते।
Very nice, Nivedita. All the verses are fine. Only here in the 19th, the second line, Jaladi Langi Gaye. Jaladi Langi Gaye Acharaja Nahi.
Okay. जलधि लांगी गये अचरज नाही.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So again, we go back from the beginning. Okay. We'll start from the first. Who's next after Nivedita?
And it's me.
Yeah, please go ahead, Sanjita.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धाम, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेश, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा।
Very nice, Sanjita. Beautifully sung. Next. Who else is left? Yeah, Akshay, go ahead.
हाथ वज्रोध्वजा बिराजे, कांते मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया।
Very nice, Akshaya. I think what was it? Here I think you yourself corrected. Vidyavana
Yes, yes.
Guniyati Chatura.
गुणियति चातुर,
Okay, also complete Rama Lakshmana.
हाँ। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की।
Very nice. Next, Manimuri.
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि गागिंदिकावा, बिगड़ रूप धरि लंका जरावा।
Sorry, go ahead.
सूक्ष्म रूप धरिसिगा गिंदिकावा बिगड़ रूप धरिलंग जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र की काज सवारे लाए संजीवन लक्ष्मण जियाए श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय बरदहि सम बाई.
Okay, so just small corrections. So this first letter is, you said Sushma, try to say Sukshma. Bring that
Sukshma.
Sukshma Rupadari, Siyahi. Use that nasal, Siyahi Dikhava. Nivedita?
सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते कवि गोवित कहि सहे कहांते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की.
One more time.
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की.
Very nice. Sanjita?
तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुक्ति का मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लाखि जय अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज कर जट के जेते सुगमानुग्रह तुम रे ते.
Very nice, very nice. So here in the 19th one, Jaladi Langi Gaye Acharaja Nahi. Okay, I think you said Jaye. Langi Gaye. Jaladi Langi Gaye Acharaja Nahi. Durgama Kaja Jagata Ke Jete. Okay, these two places just make the corrections. Rest of the pronunciation was perfectly fine. Okay. So anybody has any questions? We have done 2 rounds of the 20 chaupais. Just keep practicing. By practice, you will get it. You can also listen to the recordings to revisit the pronunciation and the tune. If this tune that we are using is difficult, then I'll also send the one that I follow for Unni Krishnan's voice, that tune, that I feel is relatively more easier. So pronunciation is the same. Tune will be a little easier because the same tune repeats every 4 chaupais. So just keep practicing. Practice is the best way to master it. So we will continue. Tomorrow we will start 21 to 24. Yes, yes, Sanjita.
I feel more comfortable with MS Subbulakshmi MS tune. Can I use that?
Yes, yes. That is what we will be using in the class also. Same, you practice with the same one at home. I am just sharing another alternate option if for somebody who wants to try a different tune. I will just
Okay.
put it in the group. If anybody wants, they can use that tune as well to practice, self-practice at home. But here we will use MS Subbulakshmi Ma's tune only. Okay, let's conclude. Sit straight. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of chanting. Let us visualize Hanumanji in front of our eyes. Bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. Let us conclude with the Dhyana Shloka. Repeat after me. Buddhir balam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvamarogata ajatyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Let us take the blessings of Hanumanji. Gently open your eyes. So tomorrow being Saturday, if you have time, after bath in the morning, you can chant the 20 verses, up to 20 chaupais at home, at your own pace, at your own tune, which is comfortable. And then we will resume in the class as well. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.